Welcome to our new video. Today, we're visiting one of the most iconic destinations in Cornwall, Land's End. Known as the most westerly point of mainland England, it's a place where rugged cliffs, crashing waves, and ancient legends all come together. Whether you're here for the views, the stories, or simply to feel like you're standing at the edge of the world, Land's End has something magical for everyone. Of England. As you step out towards the cliffs, you'll immediately sense the power of this place. Towering granite rocks plunge dramatically into the Atlantic Ocean, and the sound of the sea fills the air. The landscape feels raw, untamed, and unforgettable. From here, the ocean stretches endlessly on a clear day. You may even spot the Isles of Scilly, lying 28 miles out to sea. Land's End has several cafes, restaurants, and even an ice cream parlor. Here you can try local favorites like the traditional Cornish pasty or enjoy a cream tea with sea views. If you're looking for something more authentic, the nearby fishing village of Sennan Cove has beachside pubs and seafood restaurants, perfect for a relaxed meal after exploring. The journey to Land's End is part of the adventure. Driving through winding country lanes, you'll pass stone cottages, tiny hamlets, and sweeping fields that seem to roll right into the sea. Public transport also links the area. Buses from Penzance will bring you directly here, making it accessible even if you're not driving. This part of Cornwall is steeped in legend. The most famous is the tale of Lioness, a mythical kingdom that once stretched beyond Land's End before being swallowed by the sea in a great storm. Fishermen have long claimed to hear the bells of its churches ringing beneath the waves. Standing here, it's easy to see how these stories were born. The ocean feels mysterious, powerful, and eternal. If you're planning a visit, here are some tips to make the most of your trip. Wear sturdy shoes, especially if you plan to walk the southwest coast path. The ground can be rocky and uneven. Bring layers. Even in summer, the wind can be cold and strong. Visit early morning or late afternoon to enjoy quieter paths and softer light for photography. There's a large car park at the site, but it can fill up quickly in peak season. Don't miss the coastal path walks towards Sennen Cove or Porthcurno, both offer stunning views. There are plenty of nearby attractions worth visiting. Just a short drive away is the Minack Theatre, a spectacular open-air theatre carved into the cliffs overlooking the sea. You can also explore Porthcurno Beach, famous for its turquoise water and golden sand. To the north, Cape Cornwall offers another dramatic viewpoint, slightly quieter but equally stunning. One of the most unforgettable experiences at Land's End is watching the sunset. As the sun drops towards the horizon, the sky glows in shades of orange, red, and gold. The cliffs light up, the sea shimmers, and for a moment, time feels like it stands still. Many visitors say it's one of the most beautiful sunsets they've ever seen. One of the more unusual attractions at Land's End is the display of miniature houses and buildings, crafted with great detail to resemble a Cornish village in tiny scale. These little homes and cottages are set out like a model village, complete with gardens, pathways, and traditional Cornish features. They're a charming reminder of Cornwall's storybook character, especially for families with children who love peering into the small windows and spotting the tiny details. It adds a playful contrast to the dramatic cliffs and vast ocean views, showing that Land's End is not only about natural beauty but also about quirky, family-friendly experiences. The miniature houses are located within the main Land's End visitor area, so you can easily explore them while walking between viewpoints. Great for photos, especially if you're traveling with kids who enjoy spotting the tiny details. Brings us to the end of our journey at Land's End. We hope this video gave you a taste of the magic, mystery, and beauty of England's far west. Don't forget to let us know in the comments if you've visited before, or if it's now on your travel list. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more adventures. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.